friends. So today I am going to try for the first time to rehydrate my own sea moss so I can use it in smoothies. Now, I have tried sea moss gel, which I really like, and we were putting it in smoothies, but I heard that rehydrating it myself and making the gel myself is a lot more cost effective, so I thought I would give it a try. I saw how to do this on Instagram, I think. The sea moss gel we bought was from Holistic Vibes, and we really liked it. And this wildcrafted Yucama Katoni, like, I don't know all my sea mosses yet. I'm not that advanced, but this is from actually Smart Vegan, so it's a different company, but I'm going to try the Holistic Vibes recipe that I saw on how to rehydrate it and hope it works. So what I saw was that I soak my sea moss, which is dehydrated and crunchy. So I'm going to soak that in alkaline water, which I have here out of our jug back there. We only buy alkaline water. So I rehydrate it like overnight in alkaline water, and then I also heard lime juice to kind of get maybe the taste out, which is good because I love lime juice and I hate anything that's too seaweedy or oceany. I don't like the taste of it. So anyway, I've got this here. I don't have enough water. I'm going to add a little more water, but I'm going to rehydrate that. It said overnight. Jojo, hold on a second, my love. So I'm going to rehydrate that overnight. Then I rinse it. And then I think I add more. I'll have to check the recipe for sure. I think I add more water then, and then I can add like strawberries and blueberries, put it in the blender, make it the gel, and put it in a jar and put it in a refrigerator. Or I can put it in ice cube trays. That's what it was. I put it in ice cube trays and I can freeze them into little ice cubes, put them in a bag, and then pop them out to throw them in the smoothies. So that's what I wanted to do. I forgot, but now I remember. So anyway, I'm going to do more research for you and let you know more about sea moss and all of the benefits and all of the things. It's kind of a big trendy thing right now, but everything we can do to be healthy, I'm trying. So I'm going to add more water to this, and we'll be back later on in videos, okay? So I added more water and the lime juice. Can you see that? I don't know. So it's rehydrating, like it just started. I will, honey, I'll be there in a second. I'm going to cover it and let it soak overnight, like it said, and then rinse it, and then do the gel with you. It's an experiment. Okay. This has been soaking for 24 hours instead of just overnight. And it looks like spaghetti, and it is definitely rehydrated. And oof, it smells like seaweed. It definitely smells like the ocean. Now my next step is that I'm going to rinse this and toss that water, and then, dump it, toss the water so it's in a strainer, rinse it, and then I think I add a little bit more water and the fruit and put it in the blender. So I think that's my next step. But I will say the smell of it is making me want to probably just buy the sea moss gel that I had before, because this smells a little strong like the ocean, but maybe I'll get over it. Okay, we're gonna try this now. We're gonna dump this and rinse it, and then we add just like a little bit more fresh water and the strawberries or blueberries or whatever we want to add into the blender. I believe, but I'm gonna watch the video again on my Instagram just to make sure. Keep you posted. Hello, I wanted to show you something so sad. So I was supposed to finish my, what is this? What the fuck is this? Sea moss with you guys. Oof, I got a dirty fingernail because I was doing gardening. But I was supposed to finish my sea moss with you guys and show you how I do it. And then I was going to put it in the blender and put it in, freeze it into these ice trays that you can push and the ice is supposed to pop out. Same with these to make like ice frozen things that I would put in smoothies. But I got busy, which always happens. I'm going to turn around. I got busy, which always happens. And I was like, I can't do the sea moss because I want to do it on video and show you guys how I'm doing it. And I didn't do it. So it's been forever that the sea moss has been soaking. And it's only supposed to soak for 24 hours, and then you're supposed to rinse it, and then you're supposed to blend it up in the blender with the other fruit and freeze it, and I obviously didn't do it. And look, it's ruined. Do you see? Do you see that? Yuck and yuck and yuck. I don't know what the fuck that is. So even though sea moss is probably more cost effective to do it this way, it seems like lifestyle wise, oof, that's a harsh bright light and I don't have makeup on, I look terrible. It seems like lifestyle wise that it's just not conducive for me, which is not cost effective at all, because now I fucking ruined the whole thing. And not only do I not have sea moss and all the health benefits, but I didn't save any money. I'm actually going to spend way more money because I wasted that whole fucking thing because I didn't get around to finishing the task. So there you go. It's also been like forever since I've done a video and put anything up, and that is just how life has been. So finally I'm going to get this video up, and it's a fail, a big fail. But yeah, what are you going to do? All right, friends. I will talk to you soon. Bye.